Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. See, in this video, I will discussing about what is the different types of the competitive exam questions, especially from the Navodaya Vidyalaya and also the Sainik and also the different competitive exams. This type of the questions will be asking. It is very simple. Although already you know about the different cost price and selling price related problem. The same problems here. See, the question is look at here. The A person buys a radio at 3 by 4th of its mark price. The mark price means ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ದು ನೀವು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3/4 ಅಂತ, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೈಸ್ ದ 3/4 ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ರೈಟ್, and the sells its 20% more than its market price. What is the gain percent, right? See, the options is given A, B and C. The D is given the 30, 40 and 60, 75, right? The first, you know what is the market price. The market price is indicate XM, right? What is your cost price? Cost price is equal to the 3/4. What is the 3/4 in decimals? 0.75 into X. The X means that is the market price. What is the selling price? The 20% more than market price means the X plus the 20% of X. The 20% is in divided by 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is X is take it out common outside. The X1 plus 0.2 is equal to 1.2 times of X. That is the selling price. What is the gain? What is the gain? The gain is equal to the selling price minus cost price, right? The SP minus CP. What is the SP? The 1.2x minus what is the cost price? 0.75x. Therefore, the 1.12 0.75 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0.45x. That is the gain, right? Now come to the percentage of gain or profit, right? And some questions will be asking the percentage, some questions will be asking gain, right? The percentage of gain is equal to, you always, the profit will be depends upon the cost price, right? Always will be profit will be depends upon cost price. Therefore, the gain divided by the CP into 100, that is a percentage of gain. What is the gain? 0.45x. What is the CP? The CP is equal to 0.75x into 100. Therefore, the x get cancelled. 0.45 divided by 0.75. You convert the remove the decimal. Therefore, the 45 divided by 75. 15. 3 is 15, 5 is. Therefore, 3 divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 0.6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? That is the into 100 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ is equal to 60%, right? See, this type of the questions will be asking, right? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.